Good day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today we're talking about the box. Inside of the box is the illusion. And when we go back through best trade setups, one of the things that I'm looking for is for the smart money, the big money, whatever you want to call it, to break out of the box. Show us their hand. And we have our day count, we have our opening range. Everything's an illusion inside of the box. If it wasn't an illusion, then everybody would be making money. So I put significant levels on the charts, examples from last week on some of the trades, and I keep emphasizing that it's those levels, weekly and daily levels, that tell us what type of opportunity we have in the session that we're trading. So if we try to anticipate a move and get in early, we can get punished. You might get lucky. Inside of the box is 50-50. But when we have a bigger setup that builds over 3 sessions, 3 days, that's when we have clarity and we can filter through a basket of instruments to identify the best setup in the session that we're trading as the week and the template unfold for the week. So I have traders that tell me they only trade, these 3 instruments. But remember, I'm only focused on trading setups. I could care less what the instrument is. I'll have to adjust my position sizing according to the volatility of the instrument that I'm trading, and I'll adjust my position size based on the type of setup that I have. Now, if you understand that we are in a box, every time a session opens on most days, like Al Brooks says, the market is always trying to break out. But you may be on the front side of a move, so a breakout that fails still may not give you an opportunity for a reversal. It may be a very limited opportunity on the trend side because it's the escalator up or the escalator down, preparing for an elevator ride. Maybe on day 3 or session 3, it may be a 3-session elevator ride for 50 pips. So if you step back and you understand what those levels mean, then that's the most important thing, because then you'll see that the illusion is inside of the box. Price is always in a box. It might be a weekly box, it might be a daily box, it might be a session box. We might be on a day 3 that doesn't break a level because it's already consolidating inside of a high or a low for a vertical explosive move coming out of day 3 on a 3-session setup. So master those setups, traders. Step back. Once you see this, you cannot unsee it. Just had a great workout. It's a beautiful weekend here, and snowstorm yesterday, and then by afternoon it was sunny again. Crazy weather. It's like Melbourne. 4 seasons in one day. Have a great weekend, traders. Next week we will have, one thing I mentioned to a trader was that he said, "Are you expecting a pullback?" Bob, great question. I'm not expecting anything other than a best trade setup to show up at least probably once a day, if not every day, in the session that I'm trading. And if it does, I'm going to hunt it out and hit it. I'm going to manage my risk. I'm going to squeeze as much out of a winner as I can. If I'm wrong, I'm going to cut my losses ASAP and on to the next trade. Keep it simple, traders. Focus on the best trade setups, and may the markets go with you.